Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to our local bank today. Let us start your new account now. Please show me your identification card for our records. You will need to sign these papers to finish the process. Please deposit some money to activate your account today. Once you have finished these steps, you can set up your online access using our secure mobile application. Before you leave the building, please remember to take all of your important personal documents with you.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me. Please think back to the last time you spent time with a friend to celebrate a special occasion, such as a birthday, a graduation, or a holiday. What did you do together, and why was that experience memorable for you? People have very different social styles. Some prefer to have a large group of acquaintances, while others prefer to have just a few close, long-term friends. How do you usually choose to spend your social time, and why do you prefer that approach? Now I would like your opinion. Some people believe that it is better to have friends who share all your same interests and hobbies. Do you agree that friendship is best when friends are very similar to each other? Why or why not? One last question. Do you think schools or workplaces should organize mandatory social activities, such as team building retreats or group dinners, To help people make friends? Why or why not?